everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing amazing. Today's video is going to be a Myntra summer tops video under 500. I have not done any Myntra haul in my channel till now. This is my first Myntra haul. I hope you all love it. I have a bunch of tops. I have quite like 7 to 8 tops and all of them are super good for the price. All of them are under rupees 500 and all the links will be mentioned in the description box, and I'll keep mentioning my size and price in the screen as I show the tops. So without any further ado, let's get started. First up, I have this gorgeous top. This is a very pretty bow kind of top. Okay, it's very coquette core, full out of Pinterest. It has this bows in its middle, so it has this tie-up situation going on. This is in the cutest bright pink color. I mean, this is summers. You can never go wrong with bright colors, right? So this color is looking extremely pretty. As you can see in the try on haul, it's really pretty. I love how this fits on me. I love this detailing on its sleeves, and this detailing is all throughout this top. Now coming, these are giving those corset kind of vibes. I love how this looks on me. You can wear this with a tank top inside like I have worn, or you can just wear it with your pasties. So yeah, I think I love this top. This is super pretty, like a 10 on 10 for me. Now the material of this top is polyester, sort of has the shiny polyester sort of vibe, like little mix of satin and polyester, I would say. So yeah, this is this is very lightweight. I don't think this will irritate you during summers. Mostly this is a like night going out top, so if you wear it at night, I don't think it will be a problem. But if you wear it in the day, you might sweat a little bit, but this is very easy breezy, so I don't think this will cause much of a problem. Next up, I have one more tie-up detailing kind of top. Now this is really colorful. This has lavender, this has yellow, and this has orange all over it. This fits me really well as well. This is a little loose on me for the fit I wanted, but I think this is a really good beach wear kind of top, like something you would probably wear to the beach in the morning, or something you would probably wear outside in the morning when you are just going to run errands or probably going to sip your coconut water. Yeah, this is really pretty for that. I think I am really impressed, and this tie-up is not a very normal tie-up situation. As you can see, these straps are intertwined in between, so this gives sort of a really pretty kind of look. I love the ruffles in the top as well as the neckline. This is really pretty. You can wear this with a tank top as I have worn, or you can also style this with pink if you want to. Super good for the price. Love it. Material this one is polyester, but I don't think it's that very, that itchy kind of polyester. Is very lightweight. Very lightweight, does not stick on the skin at all. So you can definitely go for this one as well. This is a solid 9 on 10 for me. Next up, I have this top from Dressberry. Now, all of the previous tops are also from Dressberry, by the way. This is a pure cotton top, and this is so pretty. It has this peplum sort of a detailing to it, and this has summer written on it with glasses. Oh my god, I love it. And it has palm trees designed on its glasses. So cute, so Pinteresty, straight out of my summer Pinterest board. I love this baby blue color. I love this baby blue color as well. This is looking so pretty, and I love the sleeves also. It has this folded sort of like an extended sleeveless sort of situation, which looks really cool. I love it. This will go great with some white or beige track pants, or you can also wear this with your regular blue jeans. I think this would look great with some light washed jeans or some gray washed jeans. This is a perfect summer top. You can wear this to your office, you can wear this to your casual Friday office, or you can definitely wear this to college, definitely, and you can wear this anywhere. This is very cool, very cute, very Pinteresty. I love the material of this. This top is 1000 on 10, and this is my most favorite top from this entire haul. If you have to just get one thing from this haul, please get this one. This is very cool, very summery, very comfortable. You will feel that you have worn nothing, absolutely nothing. It's that good. Now next up, I have this very pretty halter neck kind of black and white top. Now I couldn't tie it to show you all, but you can see it in the try on haul how I wore it. I figured out the tying situation while I tried it, but I cannot tie it right now. So yeah, that's a problem. Please excuse that. But it has this beautiful black and white color, very comfortable, is a very breathable cotton material. This is also from the brand Dress Berry. I love this sort of, you know, block color block sort of print. This is giving very cool girl vibes as well. This can be a great night out top as well as a day top. This is very pretty, very comfortable. Nothing much to say, honestly. I love the neckline. I love the neckline. I love that it has this big armhole. I think I really love big armholes in summers, but it's not really that big too. It is the perfect medium sort of armhole in it. And yeah, bows and frills are trending this summer, and it's not going out of trend anytime soon. I'm sure of that. So you can definitely get this as well. As I said, this is in a very breathable cotton material. And yeah, I love it. It's solid 9.5 out of 10. Next up, I have this very pretty beige and white sort of a striped top, and it has these, you know, straps at its end, which is again to give the bow and type of, you know, tie up situation. I love the sleeves. This is so pretty. The sleeves are the main hero of this top, and I also love the material. It is mixed cotton, like it has cotton and polyester, but it doesn't stick to your body at all. Although this is a fitted top, this is fully fitted top, and this has this, you know, sort of like a checkered material. I don't know how to describe this. I'm going to show you. I think you will understand. This will not stick to your body at all. It's not sticking to my body at all, and I think I went out wearing this top for a whole day, and yeah, I didn't sweat like externally. Like, of course it's summer, I will sweat a little, but this top explicitly did not make me sweat. So this is very good, very comfortable. This is from the brand called Corsica, and this is in the size M, not S, which is what the sizes I've got in all of my previous tops. So yeah, you can definitely go for this. I think the tie-up situation also sort of enhances the look a little bit. This will look great with black jeans or even white trousers or beige trousers or track pants for that matter. And yeah, cute, very comfortable, very breathable, and yeah, you can definitely go for this. And this is a 9.5 out of 10 for me as well. Next up, I have this very pretty peplum top. This has this vertical stripe sort of design, and it is a multicolored top. This is super pretty, like the perfect summer top you see when you open Pinterest. This is very good. I love the color. This is also from the brand Dress Berry. So this is a size S for me. I love this top. I love this detailing, this peplum sort of vibe, and I also love the material. This is 100% cotton, so very breathable during the summer. This is not very crop, not very long, just the perfect length you want, and the neck is not deep at all. I love square neck. This is a square neck in its back and sort of like a, you know, very minute v-neck at its front. The sewing is done really nicely, so this will not get damaged at all. I love this. This has adjustable straps as well. So what more do you need from a top under 500? I mean, this is also a steal deal for the price, you all. I love the material, love the price, love the color scheme going on. Yeah, this is like 110 for me. This is like my second favorite after the blue, baby blue, you know, long peplum top that I showed you. So yeah, you can definitely go for this one. And we are down to the last top of this video, which is this very pretty peplum top. This is a very similar pattern as the previous one, probably like the similar, like probably the same style, just the print and the color is different. It has those same adjustable straps. It's from Dress Berry yet again, so size S for me. This is also very pretty. I don't know, I think I love the previous one more than this one. This has a very pretty floral design. This would look great with a white maxi skirt, by the way, with, you know, like a golden waist chain. Also, I found a really good waist chain, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to post a shorts about that very soon. But yeah, I absolutely adore this top. Yeah, as I said, I think I love the previous one more because that is a little bit unique and it's giving sort of like, you know, school vibes and stuff, and this is like more appropriate for beach wear, but you can absolutely go for this one if that is not your jam and you like this very pretty floral print. The print is very pretty, the material is very comfortable, 100% cotton, so 100% so you can go on whatever you want, you can go for whichever one you want. I'm happy with both of them, but I think I will give like like a 0.1% more marks to this one than this. And yeah, I love it. Definitely you can go for it. With that, we have come to the end of this video. I absolutely loved creating this haul. This was such good finds under 500. I mean, sometimes it's unbelievable. Myntra is also doing great. Dressberry is one of my favorite brands. I think there was only one top which was not from Dressberry, which is this one, but the other ones are all from Dressberry. So you can definitely understand that how obsessed I am with Dressberry. I have a million number of clothes already from Dressberry, I think, already from Dressberry too. So they are a really trustable brand. You can definitely go from them. Not sponsored, by the way. And yeah, I love all of this. Tell me which one do you like the best. And also thank you so much for all the love. I am going to bring a long format editing video very soon, probably next week. And all the links are mentioned in the description box. If anything is out of stock, I will make sure to link similar ones. And yeah, with that, thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, night, and I'll see you very soon in my next video next week. Bye.